Hello friends, in this video let us see question number 4 subdivision 2 sum of exercise 8.3 chapter 8 trigonometry. The question goes cos A by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A by cos A is equal to 2 secant A. We have to prove it. Let us take LHS first because LHS has more number of terms. Cos A divided by 1 plus sin A plus 1 plus sin A divided by cos A. Let us take LCM. LCM of these trigonometric ratios, just multiply them. 1 plus sin A into cos A. The numerator we will get cos square A plus 1 plus sin A the whole square. Now we will expand 1 plus sin A the whole square as 1 square plus sin square A plus 2 into 1 into sin A is 2 sin A. According to the formula, A plus B the whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB divided by 1 plus sin A into cos A. Unless there is any requirement, we need not multiply the term inside. We have to write all the identities we have used to ensure the character that we have known the topic well. Now, we know sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So, let us take those terms nearer. Square A plus 1 plus 2 sin A divided by 1 plus sin A into cos A. We get 2, that is 1, this becomes 1 plus 1, this one gives 2. 2 plus 2 sin A divided by 1 plus sin A into cos A. We can take 2 common. So we will get 1 plus sin A divided by 1 plus sin A into cos A. Cancelling out the terms, we get 2 by cos A. We also know that 1 by cos A is secant A. We will get 2 secant A, which is the RHS. Hence proved. Thank you.